Hey Kenders, I missed our classroom way too much, so I thought I would sneak in here to teach a calendar lesson. Are you ready? Let's take a look. The last time we were in school was March 13th. That seems like so long ago. A lot has changed since then, including the month. The month of March is over, and now we're in the month of April. Yesterday's date was April 21. What does that mean today's date is? Can you say it? April 19, 20, 21. That's right. Today is April 22 or April 22nd. So I'll get that up there. And yesterday was Tuesday. What day of the week does that make today? Should we sing our song to remember? Let's do it. Will you sing with me? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what day is today? It's the day that comes after Tuesday. That's right, today is Wednesday. So what will tomorrow be? You got it. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Very good. All right. If we would have been in school, yesterday was the 150th day. Since you're still working from home, we're going to keep on going as if we were still in school. So I'm going to add one more cube to the ones pocket to represent one more day of school. So what number is going to change? The 1, the 5, or the 0? It's the 0. There were 0 ones in the ones pocket. I just put 1 in there, so now there is 1. That 1 is written in the ones column, and it represents the 1, 1 that's in there. Just by looking at that number, without counting the tens that are in the tens pocket, how many tens are in there? There are 5. And what are the value of those 5 tens? 5 tens are worth 50. Let's count by tens to figure that out together. Remember, each 10 is worth 10. So that's why we count by tens to find them. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. That one's not supposed to be there. 5 tens worth 10 each. 5 tens are worth 50. So we're going to put those back in there. So that 5, even though it's a number 5, it's not actually worth 5 because it's written in the 10 spot. That 5 is actually worth 50. How many hundreds are in the hundreds pocket? You've got it, just 1. Right there. And that is worth, you got it, 100. 100, 5 tens, and 1 1. We read that number as 151. All right, let's talk about the weather. The last time we were in school, it was still winter time. Can you believe that? Winter is officially over, and it is now spring. What types of things happen during springtime? The grass starts to turn green, leaves are on the trees now, birds are outside chirping. It just looks so much happier outside, don't you think? Speaking of that, what's the weather like outside today? Take a look out your window and see what you think. Looks pretty sunny to me, so let's put the word sunny up there to describe today's weather. Is there another word we could use to describe the weather today? Let's see what we've got. Would the word cold work to describe the weather today? I don't think so. What about rainy? Not raining today. Snowy? Goodness, I hope not. I hope we're done with that snow. It's not quite hot outside. I'm gonna go with warm. Sunny and warm. It's a beautiful day to be outside, riding bikes, blowing bubbles, and just having fun, getting some fresh air. All right, let's take a look at a few more things, including our clock. Do you remember which hand we read first? The little hand or the big hand? You've got it, the little one. Whatever number that little hand is pointing to, That's the number that we read first. I'll stop it right there on the number 4. Then we read the big hand. When the big hand is way up top on the 12, we say o'clock. So this clock shows 4 o'clock. Do you remember what happens when the big hand is all the way down on the 6? When the big hand is all the way down on the 6, we say 30. So this clock now shows 4:30. Let me see. What time does the clock show now? Go ahead and say it. 10 o'clock. What about now? 10:30. Let's review what it looks like when we write those times down. 10 o'clock would look like this. 10, ... and a 00 for o'clock. 10:30 would look like this. 10:30. There we go. All right, we used to take a look at money during calendar time too, so let's do that really quick. I'll hold up the coin. You tell me if you can name it and tell me how much it's worth. Remember what that coin is called? It's the only coin that's copper colored. That's right, it's a penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. What about this one? This is the silver coin that's a little bit thicker than the other coins. And the tail side of this one looks like that. Can you see it? Just do the best you can. It's okay. This one is a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. Then we've got this one. Another silver coin. It's thin, unlike the other ones. This is a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. And then what about this one? Another silver coin. It's the biggest out of those 4. This one's a quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? Do you remember? Say it. 25 cents. Very good. Keep practicing those. You need to know the names of those coins and how much they're worth. Well, kiddos, I think that's all I've got for calendar for today. Stay tuned. I think I'll bring this calendar home so we can practice more there. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.